Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, yes, again, your answer should not match mine because this is an open-ended question and you can write any of your favorite game, but make sure your answer should be consisting of more than 2 sentences and all of the spellings should be correct. Now, what is the demand of the SLO? This SLO is very, very important because it is going to teach us how to write a descriptive writing. Now, descriptive writing is very, very important because in descriptive writing, we describe something in detail. And when we want to describe something in detail, we have to make our plan because without a plan, it would be a chaos. So always make a structure first, then beautify it with adjectives, and then finally your descriptive plan would be beautiful and well organized. So if we have to describe something, we have to tell how it looks like. And then we have to write the emotional words to tell how it feels like. And then we have to use some sort of action words to tell what it usually does. So we have to use a lot of adjectives and a lot of sensory words to describe in a descriptive writing. So what you have to do is to think of the main idea. Then write a number of details and always add this details or connect this details with the main idea. Because if you're not going to make connection of the details with the main idea, that will not going to end up in a good creative writing. So what is brainstorming and mind mapping? Brainstorming is putting in a lots of ideas. For example, if you want to write something about your favorite food, you have to think of your favorite food, not a lot of them at the same time. And then you have to organize. And then you have to give a lots of sensory details and connect those details with the main idea. For example, if you like pizza, so you have to, if you want to tell a recipe, so you have to tell the recipe of the pizza, not of the biryani. Got it? So all of the things have to be interrelated. So the first important part in any creative writing or descriptive writing is the introduction. Then comes the body, and then you have to wrap it up. In the previous SLO, we have discussed concluding remarks. So remember, every creative writing should have concluding remarks at the end, because without the conclusion, your creative writing is incomplete. So always introduce, give all of the details, and conclude it. These are the main body parts of any creative writing or descriptive writing. So after writing, for example, this is what you have wrote. Don't show it to your teacher. Be your teacher first. Check your capitalization, check your punctuation, check your spellings. Or if you are sitting with your friend, ask your friend to check your work. This is called peer checking. And after doing first checking, you have to again expand your vocabulary or the flow. If you have better words which you have used in the previous editing, replace them. And then comes the final draft. Always show your teacher the final draft, not the first draft, because the first draft is going to have a lot of errors. So by checking it once and twice, your final draft would be a good one and your teacher is going to give you an A star. So this is a sample of creative writing. Whatever you are writing, check it first. Make sure the spellings are correct, the capitalization is there, and the punctuations are correct. So this is the map. First of all, think about it, then make a map about it, then write about it, then edit it on your own before showing it to your teacher. So to check your understanding of the focus, we have given you two formative check. One is there in your book and the other one is there in your practice book. Then go home, do your homework. See you again in the next LIFT. Till then, bye-bye, Allah Hafiz.